Hello guys and welcome back to Excelsior Academy. So I am back with cell biology interview type question and this is your 36th question. So far we have done so many questions and I really hope that these questions are helping you in preparing yourself for the interview. So आज का question है why are benign tumors but not malignant tumors are readily treated by surgery? तो बहुत ही सिंपल है, अगर आपने साइंस नहीं भी लिया तो भी आप इसका आंसर दे सकते हैं. So guys, what is the answer? Since they are confined to one specific area, कहीं पे भी अगर ये आपके ब्लड वेसल्स हैं या कोई भी ऑर्गन है उसके पास अगर ट्यूमर आपका बनता है, so that tumor is going to be localized to that particular area, right? So इसलिए it is easy to be treated by the surgery. तो आप सर्जरी से इसको रिमूव कर सकते हैं, ठीक है. एंड होता क्या है, ट्यूमर में थोड़े से ब्लड वेसल्स नए आपके फॉर्म हो जाते हैं, विच इज लाइक टेकिंग दी ऑल दी न्यूट्रिएंट्स एंड ऑक्सीजन ऑल द सप्लाई फ्रॉम दी आर मेन ब्लड वेसल्स. सो वो छोटे छोटे कैपिलरीज को आप कट कर सकते हैं, उनका सोर्स आप कट कर सकते हैं एंड देन यू कैन रिमूव विद द हेल्प ऑफ द सर्जरी, ठीक है, विदाउट डैमेजिंग एनी अदर ऑर्गन्स. एंड व्हेन दे फॉर्म न्यू ब्लड वेसल्स, दैट प्रोसेस इज नोन एज एंजियोजेनेसिस. गाइस, ठीक है, ये सब मालूम होना चाहिए, द टर्मिनोलॉजी यू शुड नो. So that is angiogenesis. And what kind of cells are involved? Those are the endothelial cells. जिससे आपका blood vessels बनता है उसको endothelial cells कहते हैं, ठीक है. The process is angiogenesis. Now, why it is difficult to treat malignant tumors by this surgery? So we know that malignant tumors मतलब now they have started invading the other parts of the body also. So the cells have become independent. उन्होंने वो जो contact inhibition होता है उसको पार कर लिया है, right? So they have left the main source of the tumor formation and then they have invaded the other part of the body also. तो कैसा होता है, they leave this particular area, they go into the bloodstream, and we know that bloodstream means it is actually circulating to the all parts of the body. So it is possible that these tumor cells, the malignant tumor cells, will go and it can start forming new tumor sites at those particular areas. So basically अगर देखा जाए, जब भी आपने कोई भी कैंसर स्टडी देखा हो या ट्यूमर स्टडी देखा हो, even if it is treated by the surgery or chemo or radiotherapy, the main organs which gets affected are the lungs. और lungs के बाद आता है आपके बाकी liver. ठीक है. So this is the areas like which mainly gets affected. So when even I was working on the tumor, so we were working on PKP3 का role and APC. ठीक है. So we were studying their role in inducing the colorectal cancer. So in that also we saw that if suppose the tumor gets metastasized, like it leaves the colorectal region, and what we can see is that we can find the tumor, small tumor forms in the lungs also. So it's not only the case in the mice or rat, but we have also seen in the case of the human also, like when we have taken the samples from the human patients. So we saw that later the tumor has progressed towards the lungs also. So then it becomes very difficult to treat with the help of the chemotherapy as well as the radiotherapy. So anyways, that's a different story. I hope this is clear to you guys. And ये question बहुत ही simple था, direct था, but still I hope the answer justifies the question. And if you have got more points to be added in this, you can surely let me know through your comments. So thank you guys for watching this, and keep watching the channel because many more questions are there to be come.